Australia has a long history of introducing exotic animals to the continent. Australia is home to the most unique and interesting animals in the world. Many of these animals are found nowhere else on Earth. While some people may think of Australia as a desolate and dry place, it is actually home to a wide variety of ecosystems and habitats. From the rainforests of the north to the deserts of the south, Australia is home to many different types of animals. Here are just a few of the unique and exotic animals that you can find in Australia.
Petopedia.
Starting with Wallaroo. A Wallaroo is a marsupial animal that is native to Australia. It is a member of the kangaroo family and is similar in appearance to a kangaroo, but it is smaller in size and has a more compact body. Wallaroos are typically found in rocky, mountainous areas and they are known for their agility and strength. They are herbivorous and feed on a variety of plants, including grasses and shrubs. They're usually active during the day and they use their powerful legs to move around and escape from predators. Wallaroos are also known for their strong social bonds and they often live in groups called mobs. When it comes to keeping as pets, they are not typically kept as pets. They have specific dietary and habitat needs that can be difficult to replicate in captivity. Additionally, they are protected by law in some areas and it may be illegal to keep one as a pet. It's generally not recommended to keep wild animals as pets as they can be dangerous and may suffer in human areas. Now comes Bilby, which is a marsupial native to Australia. It is also known as the Greater Bilby to distinguish it from the Lesser Bilby, which is now extinct. Bilbies have long ears, a pointed snout, and a fluffy tail. They are omnivores and can be found in a variety of habitats, including deserts, woodlands, and grasslands. They're currently listed as a vulnerable species due to habitat loss and predation by introduced animals such as foxes and feral cats. Keeping a bilby as a pet is not advisable and is illegal in most countries. Bilbies are wild animals and require specific care and an environment that is difficult to replicate in captivity. They are also listed as a vulnerable species and their populations are declining. It is not appropriate to take them from the wild to keep them as pets. Even if you could obtain a bilby legally, it would require a significant amount of time, space, and resources to provide for its needs. It is important to respect wild animals and their natural habitats and to not interfere with their survival in the wild. The wombat is a marsupial native to Australia. They're known for their strong, stocky build and their ability to dig burrows. Wombats are herbivorous and their diet mainly consists of grasses, roots, and bark. They have a slow metabolism which allows them to survive on low nutrient food. Wombats can be found in a variety of habitats including forests, woodlands, and grasslands, but are most commonly found in the southern and eastern regions of Australia. They're generally solitary animals but may come together to feed or mate. Additionally, they are considered a vulnerable species due to habitat loss and fragmentation, as well as predation by introduced animals such as foxes and feral cats. They also face a disease called mange, which is caused by mites. It can lead to hair loss and scabbing, making the animal more vulnerable to predation and the elements. The koala is a marsupial native to Australia. They are known for their fuzzy ears, round nose, and sleepy demeanor. They are arboreal animals, spending most of their time in eucalyptus trees, where they feed on leaves, shoots, and bark. They are herbivorous and have a specialized diet, with the majority of their diet consisting of eucalyptus leaves. Koalas are found in the eastern regions of Australia, primarily in the states of Queensland, New South Wales, Victoria, and South Australia. They're considered vulnerable species due to habitat loss, disease, and climate change. Koalas are also facing chlamydia disease, which can lead to blindness, infertility, and death. The Government of Australia and conservation groups are working to protect and conserve koala populations through research, habitat restoration, disease management, and control of introduced predators. Next, we have Dingo on our list. You might be wondering how a dog can be an exotic pet. Well, Dingo is a wild dog native to Australia. It is a carnivorous mammal and is known for its distinctive howl. Dingoes are typically yellow or tan in color and have bushy tails. They're considered a vulnerable species and their population is declining due to their habitat loss and hunting. But dingoes are wild animals and are not typically kept as pets. They are native to Australia and are considered a protected species in some areas. Dingoes are not domesticated animals and they have specialized needs that are difficult to meet in captivity. It is illegal to keep them as pets in some states of Australia and also in other countries. It is also important to consider the animal welfare issues associated with keeping wild animals as pets. So these are the exotic animals in Australia, but that's not the end. There are more amazing animals in that you will love to discover. Thanks for watching the video. Like, comment, and share this video if you find it useful. Then subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon for further updates.